This video is about hidden Windows settings that can seriously boost your FPS, but most people don't even know they exist. If you've been struggling with low frame rates or stuttering in games, stick around because I'm going to show you some simple tweaks that can make your PC feel way faster without spending a dime. So, before starting this video, please subscribe and drop a like on this video. First up, we're killing Windows power throttling. Think of this like a governor on a car engine. Windows sees your CPU and GPU screaming during a game and says, "Whoa, slow down, buddy," and downclocks them. We're removing that governor. Hit your Windows key, type gpedit.msc and press enter. If this doesn't open, you're on Windows Home Edition. Search online for Enable GPEdit on Windows Home. It's a one-line command. I'll wait. Got it open? Good. Now navigate like this. On the left, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Power Management, Power Throttling Settings. Double-click the setting called Turn Off Power Throttling. Click Enabled. Hit Apply, then OK. Boom. Governor gone. Your hardware can now run full tilt without Windows trying to be smart and save battery on your gaming rig. Absolute joke. Next, we're hacking the Windows Task Scheduler. By default, Windows treats your game's audio and rendering threads the same as a background update check. We're giving your game VIP access. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Regedit and hit Enter. Click Yes if it asks for permission. We need to navigate this path carefully in the address bar at the top, and you can copy it from description of this video. Click on the SystemProfile folder. Look in the right pane for a key called System Responsiveness. Double-click it. Change the value data from whatever it is to 0. Hexadecimal is fine. Click OK. Now, right-click in the right pane, go to New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly this: Game Mode Priority. Double-click your new Game Mode Priority key, set its value to 8. Click OK. This tells Windows to give your game's critical threads maximum priority over trash in the background. You should feel smoother audio and fewer frame time spikes already. Full screen optimizations is a lie. It's a fake full screen that adds latency. We're killing it for every game. Find your game's main exe file, usually in C:\program files or your Steam folder. Right-click the .exe, go to Properties. Click the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Now, click Change High DPI Settings. A new window pops up. At the bottom, check the box Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Make sure the drop-down below says Application. Hit OK, then Apply. Do this for every game you play. This removes the Windows compositor from the render path, giving you true, raw, low-latency full screen. Non-negotiable. Memory compression sounds good, but it makes your CPU work to compress/decompress game data instead of just letting it sit in RAM. And forced paging dumps that data to your slow SSD, causing stutters. We're stopping both. Right-click your Windows Start button. Click Windows Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin. Click Yes to the warning. In the blue/black window, paste this first command and press Enter. Disable-MMAgent MemoryCompression. Now paste this second command and press Enter. This kills the main paging file. To be safe, we'll set a small, static one. Press Windows key plus R, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab here. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your C drive or main Windows drive. Click Custom Size. For initial size, megabytes, and maximum size, megabytes, type 4096. That's 4 gigabytes. And for other size of RAMs, you can use these number that is on screen. Click Set, then OK. It'll ask you to restart. Do it later after all steps. Back in the registry, press Windows key plus R, type Regedit, enter, and navigate to following path, and you can get it from video description. Right-click in the right pane. New greater than DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Win32 priority separation. Double-click it. Click the decimal radio button. Set the value to 38. This is a hex code that tells Windows to heavily favor the foreground app, your game, with CPU time slices. Background junk gets the scraps. Now for the next step, we are doing to remove Game DVR and Xbox spyware. Even if you never use it, Xbox Game Bar and Game DVR are running hooks in the background, waiting to capture a clip. This causes frame time spikes. We're wiping it off your system. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Gaming. Click Game Bar. Turn off Record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using Game Bar. Go back. Click Captures. Turn off Record in the background while I'm playing a game. Disgusting feature. Now for the kill shot. Open your Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click it, Run as Administrator. Paste this nuclear command and hit Enter. Get-AppxPackage *Xbox *pipe Remove-AppxPackage. This nukes the Xbox app and its background services. Whew, good riddance. Restart your PC. Every single one of these changes is now active. Boot up your most demanding game. Feel it. The smoother frame delivery, the eliminated hitches. Your PC is now a dedicated gaming machine, stripped of Windows' pointless overhead. This is performance you paid for. You just had to take it back. If this transformed your gameplay, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm to boost this video so we can tear down more tech myths. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Next week, we're diving into NVIDIA control panel secrets that are just as game-changing. Drop a comment with your FPS gains. Now get out there and dominate.